This is class number 6 of the Applied Vastu free basic course. In this chapter, we will show you how to create a proper scaled drawing using the Applied Vastu graph paper for accurate Vastu analysis. Many people try to analyze properties without maintaining the actual proportions, but in Applied Vastu, we always recommend working with proper scaled layouts. You can easily prepare the scale drawing by yourself. We provide the graph paper in PDF format on our WhatsApp and Telegram channels, which you can easily download for free and take a printout of it. Once you have the hard copy, you can start drawing the property step by step on that graph paper. Now the question is, why is a scale drawing important? Suppose a property is actually 20 feet long and 40 feet wide, but while drawing it, if both sides are drawn equally like a square, or if any side becomes wider or shorter, then that is not a proper scale drawing, and it can also affect your Vastu analysis. A scale drawing simply means reducing the actual dimensions proportionally while maintaining the same ratio. For example, if one cell represents 1 feet, then a 20 feet wall will occupy 20 cells and an 40 feet wall will occupy 40 cells. In this way, using simple pencil markings, you can create an accurate layout very easily. These are very basic practical concepts that every person should understand properly. In our Applied Vastu A to Z course, we also explain these topics step by step in a very simple and interactive manner, so students can understand how real site layouts are prepared accurately. Once the scale drawing is ready, you can take a picture of the drawing and upload it to our AppliedVastu software. There you can map the 16 directions, identify the main entrance, and integrate astrological details to generate a complete Vastu report. In this subject also, we have often seen many Vastu consultants making mistakes. Many people simply assume that the corner itself is northeast without properly understanding the actual alignment and proportion of the property. That is why, in Applied Vastu, we focus heavily on practical accuracy. During our live sessions, we always keep track of every individual's progress, ask questions about what they have learned, and also answer their doubts. And if anyone feels that certain concepts are unclear, they are always free to repeat the classes again for better understanding. In this way, everyone from our classes gradually becomes an expert Vastu analyst. Because in practical Vastu analysis, a proper scale drawing is also very important for accurate Vastu results. In the next lesson, we will explore the 5 elements of Vastu Shastra and understand how each element influences different directions and spaces.